In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subscribe button to your YouTube videos. Adding a small subscribe button that appears on all your videos is a simple way to remind viewers to subscribe without interrupting your content. This is done using YouTube's video watermark feature, and you only need to set it up once for it to appear across your whole channel. First, log into your YouTube Studio account. This is different from the regular YouTube watch page. Once you're signed in, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Find the option labeled Customization and click on it. This is where you control how your channel looks and feels. Inside the customization area, scroll down until you see the section called Video Watermark. This is the tool that lets you place a small graphic, like a subscribe button or your channel logo, on the corner of your videos. In that section, click on the Upload button. This will open your computer's file browser. Take a moment here to choose a clear, simple image for your watermark. It can be your channel logo or a small graphic that says subscribe. Avoid anything with tiny text or too many details, because the watermark will appear quite small on screen. Navigate through your folders, locate the image you want to use, click on it to select it, and then confirm your selection. After you do that, wait a few moments for YouTube to upload the file. Once it's uploaded, a pop-up window will appear that lets you crop the image. Use this to trim any extra empty space and focus on the main part of the design so it looks clean and professional. When you're happy with how it looks, click Done. You should now see your watermark image appear in the preview area. Just below that, you can choose when the watermark will be displayed on your videos. You'll see three options: end of video, custom start time, or entire video. If you want the subscribe button to be visible the whole time, choose entire video. If you prefer it to show up only at the end or after a specific point, pick the option that fits your style. Once you've set the display time and you're satisfied with how everything looks, go to the top right corner and click Publish to save your changes. And that's it. Your subscribe button is now added and will start appearing on your YouTube videos.